there, Christina with WTI here. I just wanted to give you a closer look at this shower arm that we recently got. Now, not all shower heads come with the shower arm, but it's so economical and easy to purchase separately. You can totally do that like we did here. Now, this came with everything that we needed to install it. It came with the tape. My husband was very impressed with the rubber ring that was on here because it definitely is not going to have a problem with any kind of leaking. The escutcheon covered the hole perfectly, and it is rust proof. Take a look at how easy it is to install. This is a little sped up video of my husband installing it. It's as simple as screwing it into the wall, getting it in the right position. You push that escutcheon back, and that is it. How beautiful, right? So if you're looking for a shower arm for your new shower head, or you're just looking to make a change, I definitely would recommend this one from NearMoon, but that's just my point of view.